I get this question a lot, whether an IMR is an AMR or an AGV. And the answer is yes, sort of. In general, if you're talking about an AMR or autonomous mobile robot, if it's in an industrial environment, yes, it's an IMR and R1508 applies to it. If it's an AGV and it's in an industrial environment, then it could be an IMR, but only in the special case if it has an industrial robot manipulator as its attachment and not in other configurations. And the distinction between the AMR and the AGV is that in general, the AGV has to follow a fixed path. Now, sometimes that path is a virtual path. And so, with the advancement of technologies, this is becoming a gray area. But when we started work on R1508 7 years ago, typically at that time, the AGV needed to stay on its path, and if it encountered an obstacle, it needed to stop until the obstacle was cleared. Now, as I say, technology's been advancing, and this is a gray area. So at the moment, in the standards world, there are discussions ongoing as to the extent to which this distinction will matter in the future. But as I say, by the time part 1 of R1508 was published, we were still thinking in terms of this distinction.